everybody. I just wanted to send a word of encouragement to the parents that right now have all their children at home. Maybe the grandparents have got the kids, and this is a season that's not going to go to waste. Don't think that this season is going to be the worst season of your life, because it does not have to be. There can be a lot of good that comes out of this whole situation, and I believe that God does work out all for good, and that this is not something that He planned or purposed, but He can use. And one of the things that I was thinking about today was for the children to plant a garden. I'm sure that a lot of you are going to have your kids do busy work and do homework, real work, busy work, do some extra things around the house. But you know, the Lord speaks so much about gardening and tending it and taking care of it and the benefits of it. And I just felt like that it would be worth me giving you guys a kind of a shout out to go get some dirt, go get some pots and plants. And you don't have to do seeds, because that would take a long time. Or you could do both. Plant some seeds inside and start the little plants that you can buy at the nursery or Home Depot outside. Let me show you something that's kind of simple. You see this corner right here? You could get some of these corners at Lowe's or Home Depot, and you could make your own garden if you're wanting to give them a big garden instead of just a few pots. But just whatever you can do. This would be a wonderful time of growth in a lot of areas, not just for the gardening, but honestly with a relationship with between everybody and between just the kids, and just something that they could be really proud of while they're in this time of waiting, in this season of growth. So I just wanted to put this out to you guys, and for whatever it's worth, just know that God's using all of this, and He's growing things in all of us, and He'll use it for good. So bless you all. Take care.